Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today we got a fun one for you, and this one, guys, is hot off the press. It was just announced within the last 24 hours. BITMAIN's got a newest release, and it's the ANTMINER L7. That's right, guys, they are going to bring you guys some hot off the press, some script mining here. This thing is going to be able to rip some of that Litecoin. You'll be able to get that Doge. I know you guys are those Doge Lord Masters and all that kind of stuff. You guys got to put that Dogecoin in the bag. But like, this is nuts, guys. We got a lot to talk with you guys about. BITMAIN is going to be releasing the ANTMINER L7. So we've got hash rate, power draw. We want to talk with you guys about its competition, all sorts of craziness. So we got a lot to talk about. Let's get into it. As always though, guys, please do your own research. In the description down below we'll have links to all of this stuff so we can show you guys where to do your own research at, but that's most important. But crap, man, this is nuts. BITMAIN has announced the release of the ANTMINER L7. This is 9.5 gigahash at 3,425 watts. Say what? This is freaking nuts, guys. Like, BITMAIN, you guys know they're always working on this stuff. But yeah, the L7, this is a script miner. You'll be able to mine Litecoin and get that Doge. 9.5 gigahash at 3,425 watts. Profitability per day, $96 after electricity, $2,800 plus a month, $34,000 a year this thing's gonna make. Now, guys, as you guys are doing your own research, please check this out. This is not available yet. First release in November 2021. So that's like Q4, guys. That's a little ways away. And as always, you guys know, and please comment down below what you think about this. BITMAIN is actually already mining on these. They mine on all of their miners before they ship them out. So you guys comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. But biggest thing, guys, please, profitability can change from now and then. It could go up. It could go down. We don't know. But you guys got to keep that in mind. So this thing is nuts. BITMAIN's ANTMINER L7 at 9.5 gigahash, 3,425 watts. Let's come down here a little bit and see estimated cost here. Over at Miner Bros, which is a trusted vendor on ASICMinerValue.com, $17,989, guys. That's retail price from them. So who knows what it's going to be from BITMAIN. I was over there trying to find the price. I did not see anything on that. But 318-day estimated ROI, guys, making $34,000 a year after electric. Excuse me, that is nuts. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let us know. Also, guys, this is a good time. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. The reason you're going to want to do that is to be able to keep up with all of our shenanigans, and we have a lot of them, whether we're out here at the cryptocurrency mining farm doing how-to videos, or we're discussing the latest hash rate drop. As always, keep an eye in the upper right hand corner as well for different links to different videos that you'd want to check out. But if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, please. Comment down below. Let us know what you like or don't like about it. But the BITMAIN ANTMINER L7 at 9.5 gigahash, 3,425 watts, 34 grand a year, $96 a day after electric. Now, you guys are going to have big time electric to be able to hammer these things away. That's going to be taking up about half of a 30 amp breaker, half of a 30 amp PDU, guys. We're going to head over to whattomine.com, and as always, guys, in the description down below we'll have links to everything. But this thing's mining script, so we want to make sure we're keeping ASIC miner value tabs, everybody's tabs on check. You always want to run 2, 3, 4 different places to make sure the numbers are all legit. We punch in 9.5 gigahash at 3,425 watts, and we use the same 0.12 cent per kilowatt hour that ASIC miner value uses. And what it shows us here is if you're using nice hash, you'd be making $101 per day. If you're just mining Doge, $87 a day. And then from there it goes down. If you're only mining Litecoin, it's only going to make $17.83 a day after electricity. You guys know there's a bunch of merged mining pools and those types of things. So lots of different ways to mine and do some different things with your mining there. But guys, This thing could easily make, if profitability would stay the same, easily make over $90 a day. could possibly make $34,000 a year after electricity. You know, that'd be like a after electricity, that'd be like a 6-month ROI on this thing, guys. I mean, roughly plus or minus, guys. These numbers are nuts. So, as always, in the description down below, we'll have links so you can head over to asicminervalue.com and check out the info on the L7, the BITMAIN ANTMINER L7 9.5 gigahash. We'll have a link so you can head over to whattomine.com so you can punch in your own numbers. Now, what about this thing's competition? Like, what is the biggest, baddest script miner that's out right now? Well, we head over on asicminervalue.com and we scroll down to try to find another script miner. And what we can see here is we do find the Silicon A6 Plus LTC Master making $21 a day. So we head over and take a look at that thing. It's doing 2.2 gigahash at 2100 watts, and this is the closest thing. This thing's closest competition, guys. $96 a day. Freaking nuts, guys. So that's one of the competition here of this. We'll head back over to asicminervalue.com, and the next closest one is the Godshell LT5, and that's at 2 gigahash at 2000 plus watts, making $19 a day. So BITMAIN is blowing everybody out of the water with this thing. You guys let us know what you think. Please comment down below. The ANTMINER L7 9.5 gigahash, 3,425 watts. Well, where are you guys going to mine with these things? Well, there's a lot of different script mining pools, a lot of different Litecoin mining pools and those things. Some of these mining pools are doing Doge plus. Some of them are separating the Doge. Some of them are paying you out in Litecoin and Doge. Some of them are actually selling the Doge and paying you out in more Litecoin. So head over to MININGPOOLSTATS.STREAM. It's going to show you all sorts of different things there. But what you can definitely see here over the last 7 days, hash rate has dropped. A lot of hash rate coming out of China has dropped. And like we said, in the upper right hand corner, we're going to have a link to a video discussing to you why that is. Basically, China has banned cryptocurrency mining. Lots of different reasons why there. So, wrapping things up, guys, we're talking with you about the BITMAIN ANTMINER L7 9.5 gigahash. This is hot off the press. They just released this information within the last 24 hours, but you can't get it till November. But today, if you had it, $96. Oh wait, BITMAIN's making $96 on these things. So comment down below, let me know how many of these things you guys think they are going to be selling. If you guys are looking for cryptocurrency swag, please head over to dogelord.com. You're going to want to head and check out Dogelord apparel. The reason you're going to want to do that is they've got some of the sickest, freshest, FA-nest crypto swag on the market. Oh yeah, by the way, there's also that Not Your Normal Miner collection, guys. You can pick up that MILF shirt, guys. We got the MILF mug, man, I love farming. Lots of other Not Your Normal Miner swag there. But please, guys, head over to dogelord.com to check out all the sick, dope as fuck, FA fucking awesome hashtag crypto swag. So, guys, let us know what you think about the BITMAIN ANTMINER L7 9.5 gigahash. Let us know what you think. Let us know if it's something that you guys are going to buy. Are you guys going to be putting it in your cryptocurrency mining farm? Do you have a source from BITMAIN? BITMAIN, are you watching this one? I would love to talk with you. We got megawatts for days. We'd love to get some of these miners to test. I would love to test your newest Ethereum ASIC miner. We would love to test the L7. I'd love to test anything out here at our GPU mining farm. Check this out. You see that? We got ASICs there. ASICs for days. We got that 1.5 megawatt ASIC room update. We'll have some links to that in the upper right hand corner as well. But I cannot believe $96 a day on a Litecoin miner. But remember, not released until November. Check out the links below so you guys can do your own research. Comment down below. Give us a thumbs up. Really appreciate your time. You guys, the community, are great. That's what you guys made us. Thank you, guys. We just reached 4,000 subscribers. So, my name's Wes, guys. I'm Not Your Normal Miner. We're wrapping this up. Been talking with you about the ANTMINER L7 script miner. My name's Wes, Not Your Normal Miner. Thanks, guys.